Let's spin a disc.
And when I say I can't respond to Zigo because at best he's a journalist, even though his journalistic ethics are questionable. And this is why I said at best he's a journalist. Journalist, he is not a doctrinal authority.
Yes.
He doesn't know the doctrine. If Zigo wanted to entertain this matter as a journalist, what he could have done is to invite me and another preacher so that preachers can engage on his platform. And that was also subject to whether I wanted to meet with that person or not.
Yes.
And this is why so many people challenged me and said, Chiwenga, I want to debate with him. And I could not join them. There are rules also of engagement.
Yes.
Before I meet with someone, I need to find out what exactly do you represent. If you represent nothing, I can't meet with you. I've got a very important job to do. I can't meet with Magaya. There's nothing to discuss with Magaya. You understand?
Yes.
I can't meet with Mparinga. There's nothing to discuss with Mparinga. So, you can invite me, Zigo, if you want a discussion. Find someone with a doctrine. Some of the people I've mentioned here, they can't discuss doctrine with me. They can't. But I can discuss with Makandiwa. Even though he has a doctrine, the reason why I would discuss the doctrine with him, it is because he claims to have a doctrine. He doesn't have a doctrine, but he thinks he has a doctrine.